lunchtime.
Hi. Hey guys, how are you? I am fine. Hello guys.
There you go. Perfect place to put my foot. Welcome to the rendezvous for tonight. So the evening begins. Day 2, off to Ongeluk.
That's where we're on. That's where we
That's
just
what
went.
we're on. And we're off to Rhodes.
This totally looks like Lesotho.
Gone from highway dirt to... Oh,
It's like a farmer's track. You would have fun on a bike.
yeah.
Not so fun in a car.
17 kilometers an hour over this stuff in 5 hours.
Wait.
Couldn't go that much faster in the bike there without killing myself.
That's a big hole.
Beep beep, chunkies coming through. Apparently the horse just escaped.
I think so.
These guards must be hanging on for dear life. Good thing this truck has got lights, eh? You see that? Okay, bye funny people. Oh, what a difference.
So we have
That's for a little
29 kilometers and then we're off.
Mount Fletcher. Time to fuel up. We're not going to see fuel for how many days? 2 or 3.
Next fuel stop is in Lesotho. On Wednesday. Tuesday. One.
Yes, alright.
Sorry, we don't have the signs at the moment. Otherwise, the cars are coming in this way. So can you please try to face this way?
Sure.
Okay, sorry for that.
No problem.
Thought he was going to tell us there was no gas.
he say? He didn't put
Something
the
about
signs up.
the signs so that you have to come in.
Okay. As long as we get fuel, I'm happy. Hungry Lion, Debonair's, Chaos.
KFC.
Finally, the sun's come out to play. 17 kilometers of the black stuff and then back into the dirt. Next stop, Norley's Neck. But before that, I think we need proper roadside coffee and second breakfast.
Cabbages.
It's a morning party.
Yep.
There's a shaggy dog. Sort of half dog, half sheep.
Why does that one have such a long tail?
Come cute bumps.
Gosh, they must be deaf.
Come on. Aren't we so lucky to travel in places like this? This looks interesting. There's the old bridge.
Yeah, you want to stop and have a coffee there?
This looks like a good place for coffee.
But you gotta pull over quite a bit.
Over. Don't park in the holes.
Yeah.
Coffee. Morning. Made it this far. It's been gnarly, but we're getting there.
No game you play to win.
Hi. Hi. And we slowly crawl up Nordeer's Neck. Still climbing Nordeer's Neck. I don't know what the altitude here is, but we're really high. Here's a typical corner. Yo, the wind is insane around that hairpin and back up there. And now we start our way down, all the way down to Rhodes. Fatty sheeps and fatty cows. There's epic views.
It's been so long. I remember us like yesterday, and how we used to say, love, it doesn't come by itself so easily. Love, you have got to give to get.
Hey! Come on.
Love, it doesn't come by itself so easily. Love.
Snow Cottage. We made it. It's beautiful to be back in this village. Let's have a look at our house for the next 2 days.
Oh, yeah, this is better than the other ones we've done.
Lovely. And there's the place I'm going to die tonight. Right. When in Rhodes, eat like a cowboy. The sign of an excellent kitchen: wine, water, brandy, jack, coffee. Autumn colors are coming. Need to phone home, babes.